stop what you're doing. The future just landed on Amazon, and it's weirder, cooler, and more useful than we ever imagined. It is 2026, and the smart home has officially evolved into the future home. From underwater explorers to robotic arms that actually work, we've spent weeks testing the latest tech to find the absolute best of the best. Whether you're looking to upgrade your setup or just want to see the gadgets that are making 2025 look like the Stone Age, you're in the right place. We're counting down mind-blowing gadgets you can grab right now. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Anker Nebula Capsule Mini Projector. Now, we've seen mini projectors before, but in 2026, Anker has refined this into the ultimate anywhere cinema. It's literally the size of a soda can, but don't let that fool you. This thing pumps out a remarkably crisp image with 360-degree immersive audio. What makes this a 2026 must-have is the upgraded battery life and the seamless Android TV integration. You can literally throw this in your backpack, head to a campsite, and project a 100-inch screen onto the side of your tent. It's got autofocus that levels in less than a second, meaning no more fiddling with blurry edges. It's sleek, it's matte black, and it's the king of portability. If you want that big screen experience without the premium Anker price tag, the Alfus BL128 mini projector is the budget hero of 2026. This is the gadget for the bedroom or the dorm room. While it's slightly more traditional in shape than the Nebula, it punches way above its weight class in terms of brightness. The BL128 features a new cooling system that is virtually silent. A massive upgrade from the loud fans of previous years. It's incredibly easy to sync with your smartphone, making it the perfect choice for late-night YouTube marathons or gaming sessions where you want to turn your ceiling into a display. It's proof that you don't need to spend $500 to get a stunning 1080p supported experience. Moving from the big screen to the small screen, or rather the tool that makes your small screen look like a Hollywood production. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal is the 2026 standard for mobile creators. If you've ever wondered how influencers get those buttery smooth walking shots, this is the secret sauce. In this latest iteration, DJI has perfected Active Track 6.0, which is essentially magic. It can lock onto a subject even if they duck behind a tree or move through a crowded street. It's got a built-in extension rod for those high-angle drone-like shots, and a new status panel that lets you swap modes with a glance. It's compact, it's intelligent, and it's the only way to film if you want to be taken seriously in 2026. Now, let's talk about pure aesthetics. The Rooier Levitating Bluetooth speaker is the ultimate conversation starter for your desk or coffee table. This isn't just a speaker, it's a gravity-defying piece of art. The orb literally floats and rotates above its magnetic base, pumping out 360-degree sound that fills the room evenly. In 2026, the magnetic stability has been upgraded, so it doesn't just wobble and fall if you bump the table. The LED lighting on the base and the orb creates this incredible futuristic UFO vibe that looks stunning in a darkened room. It's the perfect blend of tech flex and high-quality audio. Speaking of vibes, you cannot talk about a 2026 setup without mentioning the Govee Glide Hexa LED light panels. These aren't your basic flat LED strips. These are modular hexagonal panels that use Govee's RGBIC technology, allowing each panel to display multiple colors at the exact same time. The result? mind-bending gradients and fluid motion that looks like liquid light moving across your wall. They feature a unique backlight design, which means they cast a soft glow behind the panels onto the wall, creating a 3D depth effect that makes the room feel twice as large. Whether you're a gamer syncing them to your PC or just want a sunset mode for winding down, these are the gold standard of smart lighting. Next up, we're taking a classic and giving it a massive digital brain. The GAN356 iCarry E Smart Cube is not your childhood Rubik's Cube. This is a professional-grade speed cube packed with Bluetooth sensors. It weighs a featherlight 77 grams and features 48 internal magnets for that satisfying, snappy click on every turn. But the magic happens when you sync it to the CubeStation app. It tracks your moves in real time, analyzing your finger tricks, your solve speed, and even giving you a play-by-play breakdown of where you can improve. It's like having a world-class coach living inside your puzzle. With a 150-hour battery life, you can spend weeks practicing before you ever need to think about a recharge. It is the ultimate smart toy for the competitive mind. Finally, for this part, we're going where humans usually can't: deep underwater. The QYSEA Fifish V6 is a total game changer for exploration. This isn't just a submarine camera, it is the world's first 360-degree omnidirectional underwater drone. You can tilt, roll, and pan in any direction, allowing you to navigate tight coral reefs or shipwrecks with total precision. It shoots in stunning 4K UHD and features two massive 4,000 lumen LED lights that turn the dark abyss into a bright cinematic masterpiece. My favorite feature? VR head tracking. You put on a pair of goggles, and as you move your head, the drone mimics your movement in the water. It's as close as you can get to being a mermaid without actually growing a tail. Now, if you'd rather be in the water than watching it from a screen, you need the Sublue WhiteShark Mix underwater scooter. This is the ultimate pod racer for the ocean. It features two powerful motors on either side that pull you through the water at speeds up to 3.3 miles per hour. It's small enough to fit in a carry-on bag, yet powerful enough to take you down to 130 feet. In 2026, the new battery technology allows for a quick swap system, so you can keep the adventure going all day. It's perfectly balanced, and honestly, there's no cooler feeling than gliding past a school of fish without having to kick a single fin. To wrap up our aquatic section, let's talk about the underwater selfie drone camera. This is the set it and forget it tool for the solo traveler. Unlike the larger ROVs, this is designed specifically for AI-powered follow me modes. You simply drop it in the water, and its computer vision locks onto your silhouette. As you swim or snorkel, the drone stays at a fixed distance, capturing high-resolution 4K footage of your entire dive from a third-person perspective. It uses specialized color restoration algorithms in real time to remove that murky blue-green tint, leaving you with vibrant, Instagram-ready footage the moment you resurface. It's the personal cameraman you don't have to pay. Let's move from the ocean to your living room. The Eufy RoboVac 11S has been a fan favorite for years, but in 2026, it remains the slim king of the robot vacuum world. While other robots are getting bulkier with unnecessary sensors, the 11S stays true to its mission, getting under the furniture where the dust bunnies actually hide. It's only 2.85 inches tall, allowing it to glide under low-profile sofas and bed frames that even the most expensive Dyson can't reach. It features Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when it transitions from hard floors to carpets. If you want to clean home without the tech headache, This is the most reliable set it and forget it vacuum on the market. Vacuuming is one thing, but if you really want that luxury hotel shine, you need the iRobot Braava Jet M6 mop robot. In 2026, this is the gold standard for smart mopping. It doesn't just drag a wet cloth around, it uses a precision jet spray to loosen dirt and sticky messes before scrubbing them away. What makes the M6 special in a 2026 smart home ecosystem is its Imprint Link technology. It actually talks to your Roomba once the vacuuming is done. The Roomba tells the Braava Jet to start mopping. It's a completely automated cleaning sequence that handles everything from hardwood to stone tiles, making sure your floors are literally sparkling by the time you get home from work. For those spots where a robot just can't go, you need the heavy hitter, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. This is widely considered the smartest cordless vacuum of 2026. Why? Because it makes the invisible visible. It features a precisely angled, fluffy optic cleaner head that reveals microscopic dust on hard floors. Stuff you literally cannot see with the naked eye. It also has a built-in piezo sensor that counts and measures the size of dust particles, automatically increasing suction when it detects a heavy mess. It's lightweight, powerful, and gives you a scientific proof of a deep clean on its LCD screen. In 2026, cleaning isn't just a chore, it's a data-driven mission. If you want to feel like Tony Stark in your home office, the desktop robotic arm claw is the 2026 upgrade your desk has been waiting for. We've moved past the era of toy robotic arms. This is a precision-engineered tool powered by physical AI. With a high-torque servo system and an interchangeable gripper, this arm can be programmed to handle everything from organized cable management to actually holding your smartphone at the perfect angle for a video call. In 2026, the software has become incredibly intuitive. You can literally teach the arm movements by moving it with your hand once, and it will replicate that path with sub-millimeter accuracy. It's a mix of productivity and pure wow factor that brings industrial-grade tech to your desktop. For those who live life off the grid, or just want to be ready for anything, the Jackery Explorer 500 Power Station, the 2026 V2 edition, is your ultimate insurance policy. Jackery has updated this classic with LiFePO4 battery chemistry, which is a massive win for 2026. This means you get over 3,000 charge cycles, effectively lasting you a decade of heavy use. It's got 518 watt-hours of capacity, which is plenty to keep your laptops, mini fridges, and drones charged for a full weekend of camping. The 2026 model also features upgraded 100-watt USB-C PD ports, meaning you can fast charge your MacBook Pro directly from the station without needing a bulky wall adapter. It's silent, it's green, and it's the gold standard of portable power. Finally, for this part, let's fix the biggest annoyance in your car. If you're still plugging in a cable every time you sit in your driver's seat, the CarlinKit wireless CarPlay adapter is the 2026 quality of life upgrade you need. The Mini Ultra version uses a specialized 5.8 GHz transmission chip that virtually eliminates the lag that plagued older wireless adapters. You get into your car, start the engine, and by the time you've buckled your seatbelt, your navigation and music are already live on the dash. It's small enough to tuck away in your center console, and in 2026, it supports multi-user switching, so it won't get confused if both you and your partner are in the car with your phones. It's a simple, invisible upgrade that makes every drive feel modern. We've all been there. You're late for work, and your keys have seemingly vanished into another dimension. In 2026, the Bluetooth tracking cube has become the ultimate save my sanity gadget. Unlike standard trackers, the cube features a rugged IP67 waterproof design, making it perfect for things that actually go outside, like your dog's collar or a hiking backpack. But here is the 2026 pro tip. It works both ways. If you have your keys but lost your phone, just double tap the button on the cube, and your phone will start ringing at max volume, even if it's on silent. With a replaceable battery and a range that covers your entire house and yard, it's the most cost-effective insurance policy against your own forgetfulness. Finally, we have the Swiss Army knife of portable chargers, the Zap Power Bank with flashlight. In 2026, we're seeing a shift back to multifunctional hardware, and Zap has nailed it. This isn't just a backup battery, it's a high-lumen tactical flashlight integrated into a 10,000 mAh power cell. It features built-in cables for both iPhone and Android, so you can leave the tangled mess at home. Whether you're dealing with a power outage or just trying to find your way to the tent at night, the Zap Power Bank provides enough juice to charge your smartphone 3 times over while lighting your path for up to 48 hours straight. It's compact, it's fast charging, and it's the one gadget you'll be glad you packed when things go south. And there you have it, mind-blowing Amazon gadgets that are defining the tech landscape of 2026. From the depths of the ocean with the Fifish drones to the palm of your hand with the Nebula projector, the future is officially here, and it's more affordable than ever. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, check the links in the description below to grab them before they sell out. Which one was your favorite? Are you going for the levitating speaker or the robotic arm? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest tech, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for your weekly dose of future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.